Hey, this is Lena again, Healthy Cooking with Lena. Today I cook a really simple but delicious dish. 3 ingredients: celery, seasoned salt, and sesame oil. So I have water boiling there already, and here is really quickly chop it up. Okay, that's it. And put in the hot water, boiling water, for a few seconds. I have a pot of ice water waiting. You can see now the celery start to change color, become pretty green color. Just a few more seconds. You don't have to wait till it's boiling. Now it's green color. Good enough. Turn off the heat and get out. So the ice water would stop cooking. If you don't put in ice water, the heat on the vegetable would still cook it. There we go. Now it stops cooking. Now you put the celery in the cold water, and quickly the ice start to melt. If you want to, give it a few minutes and all the ice would melt. Since I'm showing you quickly, the ice is floating on top. I get them out. Now there's no ice. I just get them out in the bowl. It's almost done. It's chilled and crunchy. Got every piece out. Some seasoned salt, depends on how much you like, and some sesame oil. Done. Stir it up. And I have some chicken in the oven, so I just need some simple salad. So the salt and the oil would marinate for a little while, waiting for the chicken. Then all together, maybe 5 minutes. So now it's done, ready to go. Right now, crunchy, delicious. It's surprisingly good. Sometimes I make these for the party, and people say, "Oh, what is it?" 3 ingredients, super delicious.